Fortunately, one day, Chuckles the bear received an invitation to a beach party, but unfortunately, it was far away and he did not have a swimsuit.
Fortunately, Chuckles knew where to buy a swimsuit. Unfortunately, the swimsuit store was ass.
Fortunately, Chuckles found a free spaceship in his backyard. Unfortunately, it was out of fuel and it made him cry.
Fortunately, there was an elevator that went all the way to Mars. Unfortunately, the elevator stopped halfway from Earth to Mars.
Fortunately, a raccoon who had a spaceship found him. Unfortunately, he took him to another galaxy.
Fortunately, Chuckles found a snake that guided him back to Mars and he was on his way. However, unfortunately, his spaceship broke down and he started floating in space.
Fortunately, he suddenly landed on the moon after floating in space for a while. Unfortunately, he met moon aliens that wanted to eat him.
Fortunately, he was able to teleport. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to control where he teleported.
Fortunately, Chuckles managed to find a cave on the moon. Unfortunately, Chuckles was attacked by a huge alien bat in the cave.
Fortunately, the huge alien bat got caught in the web. Unfortunately, he lost his way in the cave.
Fortunately, he found a mini civilization in the cave. Unfortunately, he didn't know what language they spoke.
Huh?
Fortunately, they let him outside the city to a spaceship to borrow. Unfortunately, he needed directions to get to Earth.
Fortunately, he met a young alien that gave him directions. Unfortunately, the rocket was on the other side of the planet.
Fortunately, he arrived at the spaceship. Unfortunately, he did not know how to fly it. Fortunately, someone in the cave could fly it for him. Unfortunately, Chuckles had to wait 1 hour for the pilot to come with the fuel.
Fortunately, he fueled the spaceship. Unfortunately, monkeys with red capes started to attack him.
Fortunately, there was a magic school bus that he could use to get to the spaceship. Unfortunately, the monkeys chased after him to the beach.
Fortunately, he knew Kung Fu, so he could fight the monkeys. Unfortunately, the monkeys captured him and took him prisoner. Nope.
Fortunately, his friend broke into the jail cell to rescue him. Unfortunately, now he was late to the beach party.
Fortunately, his friend gave him a ride to a beach party. Unfortunately, his friend saw a mouse and ran away.
Fortunately, he borrowed a hang glider to get to the party. Unfortunately, he ran into a bird and crashed.
Fortunately, Chuckles got to the beach party with a swimsuit. Fortunately, he had fun at the beach.